Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 401 Styling. If you are new to the channel, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. And to the old subscriber, I really love you guys so much. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm going to show us how to make a waist pocket in 5 minutes. A waist pocket can be on the trouser, especially on the jacket, on the skirt, even on the dress, anywhere. So please, if this looks like something you are really interested in, please kindly watch this video to the end and do not forget to like. Thank you. So guys, I have 3 pieces of fabric here. This one is going to be like the main fabric or the main bodice. This is going to be the facing and this is going to be the pocket bag. Okay, so the facing and the pocket bag is going to be like 8 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so and at the back I already had my visible interface, and this my marking here 4 inches by 0.75. okay, you don't want it to be too wide because by the time you're done sewing. Okay, so here you are going to mark exactly what you mark on this facing, but because this is just for tutorial sake, I did not mark it, so I'm just going to place it on it. But wherever you want to fix yours, you are going to mark the same thing, okay, just like I have on my facing, and you're going to draw this line. So after drawing the line, now the next thing you want to do is to sew it round just like I'm placing my ruler. Okay, and that is what I'm going to be doing now. So guys, after sewing now, the next thing you want to do is to turn it inside out. So just watch the way I'm sewing. So after sewing it round, you're going to open up the center line, okay, and you're going to be cutting through that line. So just like the way I'm folding, you're going to cut this way, and then you're going to cut according to the line, okay, to form a V shape, just like you see me doing. So this will make it easier for us to turn it over or inside out. Make sure you don't cut into your seam line, just make sure you cut very close to the seam, so it will be easier for you to turn inside out. So this is what you're going to have. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. During this process you will need a pressing iron to do this, okay, so that you can have a flat effect. So after which you are done, this is what the wrong side is going to look like. So I'm going to pin this down so that it doesn't keep shifting, and this is how the right side is going to look like. So the markings we did earlier will determine how wide this part is going to be. Do we understand now? Okay, so you don't want to be too wide. 0.5, 0.75 is okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold in a little bit of fabric this way, but make sure when you are folding it doesn't overlap. It's just very close to the other side of the opening. Okay, this is going to be the outer part, this part that we used to see on our Welt pocket. Okay, so whatever you have on one side is what you should have on the other side. Okay, so you can also press it down this way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to secure this with my pin so that it doesn't shift. So go ahead and do the same thing. This is just a process. Remember, this tutorial is beginner friendly. So the next thing we want to do now is to stitch down this our V shape that we have here. Okay, so you're just going to stitch that down to the folding you did earlier. I hope you understand my explanation. So you're going to do the same thing on this other side. Make sure you go ahead and cross check your foldings. It should be the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, just like I have here. Then you're going to stitch down that other little V shape that we have here. Okay, you're going to be stitching it together with that folding that you did earlier, just like you see me doing. Okay, so guys, when you are done with that, the next thing we want to do now is to cover up our pocket, because if you dip your hand into this, you are going to be, whatever you put inside is going to fall off. So the next thing now is to place the pocket bag on the wrong side like this, okay, and you're going to stitch it down like this all around. Okay, you're not going to pick the main fabric, it's just the facing and the pocket bag, just like you see me doing. Okay, so your waist pockets can be on a skirt, on a dress, on a trouser, especially it can even be on your jacket. That is the most common places we used to see our waist pocket. So your waist pockets can be on anything. Do you understand? So as long as you have the idea, whatever you want to do, you are good to go. So guys, that will be all for the sewing, just like you see me doing. And once you're done, if you know you don't want to have a too big pocket bag, all right, just you see our pocket is ready. So you can just trim off the excess just like you see me doing. Then you're going to weave or secure the edges anyhow. So but if this is going to be in your jacket, of course you're going to be having a lining, so definitely it's going to cover up that, but you still need to secure the edges. All right, so guys, that'll be all for the waist pocket. As you can see, very simple and straightforward. Secure the edges and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching this video up to this moment. I really appreciate you coming back. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video. The more you like it, the more people find it. So till next time, bye bye.